Alright, so if you're an agency owner or a freelancer, basically anybody who's trying to automate their cold outreach efforts, then please take this video. I'm going to show you how to do this. Right, so you've got a tool for Instagram and a done for you service for Twitter. By the way, you've probably found out about us because we sent you a DM on Twitter using our tool. Yeah, so if you're interested in Twitter, then please reach out to us. You can do this at the bottom of the page. And for those of you who are interested in Instagram, then please take this video. I'm going to go over the whole dashboard thing, show you how you can do this. Alright, so after you sign up, you'll go to the dashboard page, this one, right? And you can have a big create campaign button. You click on it, then you type in the name. Then you choose what you want to scrape the leads or upload them from a CSV file. So I'm going to scrape them. Right, here are some filters. So you can choose a range of followers, range of posts, then the keywords to include in their bio. Something like this, for example. Something like this, right? So if any of those keywords are present in their bio, it's going to DM them, and otherwise it will skip them. Right, you can also exclude some keywords if you want. And you can also send the DM to people who have a link in their bio, regardless of whether they fit those criteria or not. So that's also can be useful sometimes. Yeah. All right. So here is the section that's dedicated to the cold DM itself. So here you have a few personalization methods. So AI first liner. So what it will write is something like this. So it'll scrape the profile of a person, the posts, and the bio, and create some kind of a greeting and then a personalized compliment. Yeah, but what I usually recommend people do is extract a name. So basically something like this. It's gonna as well scrape the profile, but this time it's gonna just extract the real name of the person, right? So and if it cannot find the real name, it's just gonna say hey, right? So just a greeting. All right, so then you can choose it on the language of the DM and the DM itself, right? So you should not write a greeting. As you can see, it says over here. You should not use the greeting here, just go straight to your offer, because the greeting will be written by AI first, right? So it's going to be AI written greeting, and then the cold DM itself, right? So here you should write something like, got the tool, automates cold outreach, would you be against a free trial? So yeah, it's pretty basic. You probably shouldn't be sending DMs like this, but yeah, works for now. Right, so you click save campaign, and yeah, that's about it. So now what you have to do is actually start the automation. So you have to download our Chrome extension. So click on this button, then click add to Chrome, add extension. Yep, it's over here. So now if you click on this extension, you'll see you have to log in. So you have to enter your email address and an extension token, which is not the password. Extension token, you can get it in the settings page over here, right? So you click copy, you go over the extension, paste the extension token and the email, click login. And yeah, here we are. So here what you should do is select the campaign from the drop down menu and then scrape the leads, right? So please, before starting an automation, make sure that the Instagram page that you're gonna scrape is the only one in the browser window. So close any of the others you have open, right? So then you should go over to the Instagram, to the page that you want to scrape. So for example, if you have some kind of offer for salespeople, right? So you want to scrape a profile that is dedicated to kind of salespeople, right? So this one, for example, right? Here you have three options. You can scrape the followers, you can scrape the likes. So this is like of individual posts. So the way you scrape them is you go over the post and go to the extension and press scrape likes, right? So it's gonna go over the likes of the post, right? And so the last kind of option is scrape all likes of an account. So it's just gonna go over the whole account, so for around 10 to 20 posts, and it's gonna scrape all the likes of all the posts, right? So that is actually pretty useful, because if you want to scrape just followers, there are gonna be a lot of bots and just really inactive accounts that just subscribed to this profile by accident or something like this, right? So if you wanna target the most engaged audience, you wanna do this, right? Scrape all likes of an account, which is what we're gonna do right now. So you click on this, and here the automation has started, right? So you're just gonna slowly go over each post. You're gonna scrape their likes. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of time because the tool kind of simulates human behavior to minimize the chances of getting banned, basically. So yeah. All right, so you can scrape some of those leads, right? So we can just reload the page to stop it. Now what we can do is actually start a campaign. So you see the button is now active, right? So you just go to the Instagram, it doesn't really matter what page. You press start campaign, and it's gonna do the magic. It's gonna go over each of the leads that you scraped. It's gonna check if it fits the criteria, and it's gonna DM them. So scrape their profile, craft some kind of personalized compliment or a greeting, and actually send the DM. So yeah. By the way, if you want to try the Twitter thing, it actually works kind of the same. The main difference between Instagram and Twitter is, of course, the target audience, right? So different people go on different platforms. But on Twitter, I think the maximum amount of DMs that you can send in a day is around 500, whereas Instagram it's only 50, around 50. So yeah, that's the main difference. But with our tool, you can connect as many accounts as you want. So you just open different browser windows on the different accounts, preferably, and start the automations. Yeah, so this way you can send not 50 but 500 DMs to Instagram, for example, if you have 10 accounts. So yeah.